Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. I am also well. I have come to you with another brand new grammatical video. My today's video's topic is degree. Today I will discuss with you about degrees changes. Most of the students wants to know about degree change, but they don't know how to solve it at a glance or at a table. Today I will share with you degree change in a table. So without making delay, let's get started. I have made three different column and four rows. First column positive, and then comparative, and then superlative. Positive degree is the base form of an adjective. Comparative is a comparison part. Finally, superlative is the last or highest part of position. For your convenience, I have also written singular, plural, and between two parts. Singular. If I want to make or I want to solve a degree in a positive form, now we have to or I have to write rule first, no other, and then now, and then object if it remains. Sometimes it may not remain, but if you find if you have an object form, then auxiliary, and then as or so, and then adjective positive form. Positive POS means positive, and then as finally subject. For an example, no other, noun as boy, object in the city, auxiliary is as so, I have used as, and then adjective good, and as for as, and he for subject. If I want to make a comparative this sentence, first of all I have to write down a rule. Subject, and then auxiliary, and then adjective comparative. Com means comparative, and then and plus any other. For singular form, you have to use any other, and the noun and object if it remains. For an example, if I want to change this sentence as comparative, first I have to write he, and then auxiliary is, adjective better for good, and then and according to rule any other, and the noun boy, finally object in the city. Here for superlative, first I have to write rule, subject, and then auxiliary, and then the, and adjective superlative. Super means superlative, noun and object if it remains. For an example, if I want to change this sentence as a superlative, he, a subject, and auxiliary is, and the, and best is an adjective superlative form, good, better, and then best, noun boy, an object in the city. If I want to make a plural sentence from positive to comparative or superlative, I have to obey or maintain this rule, very few, and then noun, and then object if it remains. Sometimes you may not find, but I have used it as regular form, and then auxiliary, and then as or so. Here I have used as, and this time I will use so, and adjective pause means positive, and as, and finally subject. For an example, very few as according to rule, noun, animals, object in the forest, auxiliary. Here we have to remember that very few means plural form. Here animals as, nouns plural form. So I have used are, and then so. Here there we have used as, and this time I have used so, and then adjective positive form wise, and as final subject fox. If we wanna change it as comparative, first of all you have to write down rule, subject and auxiliary, and then adjective. Com means comparative, and then and most other for plural, and then noun and object if it remains. If we want to change this sentence as comparative, subject fox, auxiliary is, adjective comparative wise, wiser, and then according to rule, and most other according to rule, and then noun animals. Finally object, they are used fox, and now we have used fox as subject for object in the forest. There we have used in the forest, and this time in the forest. Superlative, if we want to change this or that sentence as a superlative, first of all we have to write down as rule, subject, and then auxiliary, and then one of the very difference of these two rule is here only the, and in this rule one of the. That means the is singular form, one of the is plural form, and then adjective super means superlative, and noun, and then object if it remains. For an example, if we want to change this sentence or this sentence as superlative, subject fox, fox here, and auxiliary is, and according to rules one of the, and then wisest, wise, wiser, and then wisest, and the noun animals, finally object in the forest. You may sometimes find not any object in your sentence, but I have used object for your consideration. If you wanna change as such a sentence which has a not superlative form, there we have only changed from positive to comparative or comparative to positive. That means between two words or two sentences, object is mandatory, and then auxiliary, and then as or so, and adjective as positive, and then as finally subject. Object halal, auxiliary is not mentioned in this rule, but we have to use not. If we want to use here, then we will forget from comparative. If we don't want to use it here, then we will remove from comparative. Not, as, and then is strong as adjective, positive form, and then as, finally object, subject Belal. Subject Belal, here from there Belal, and then auxiliary is, and adjective comparative form is stronger, and then rule according to rule then, and finally object halal. We have to remember that no superlative form is between two. We have used only two forms. Most of the sentences which are come to our examination, we have used them, then these rules. So I think it's a very useful video for you. If you wanna get more videos from my channel, please like, comment and share. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.